Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. We are here once again. The path to financial freedom starts here on my Facebook page. And I just want to begin my video today just to show you, more continued proof and results that this amazing opportunity works. It works very well. And as a matter of fact, I just recently welcomed another new customer. Okay, and here is a little post that I put up, and this is part of our content creation. We're going to show you exactly how to do this, how to get discovered using attraction marketing so that you never have to chase people down. You will have people coming to you, and you will be able to share this opportunity by creating content and providing a simple call to action, which is a very simple process. And what we do is we follow a 2-hour workflow, and we focus on our income producing activities from our phones, our laptops, our desktops, creating content and uploading it to our social media, and then providing a simple call to action so that we can take people through our automated funnel. And I'm going to be sharing with all of you all of that on today's video. So here was another new customer that came in a day ago, which resulted in another $900 commission for me right here. More continued proof. This is me right here. And this is a little simple story post. You'll learn exactly how to create these as well. Okay. And then here is my simple call to action right here. To learn more, comment show me or send me a DM if you would like to learn how you can experience a bright future. And then people who respond either comment below my post or send me a personal message. I just simply share my website. It's a very simple process. So what do? I utilize Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Those are my 3 go-to social media platforms. And if you're brand new, I recommend just focusing on one social media website, okay? And get really comfortable, become a master over it, a master content creator with one particular social media platform. For example, if you're brand new and you're starting off, perhaps you may want to do Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or TikTok. And we also have Pinterest and LinkedIn training as well. So you do have a multitude of different choices. So you pick the one that interests you most and perhaps where you are most comfortable. So I make really good utilization out of my Facebook, okay? And I also utilize TikTok, okay? So I'm going to take you over there, okay? Because I've been getting a great quality of lead flow right over here through my TikTok, okay? And this is me right here, affiliate biz mompreneur, okay? And stable in. Okay, so this is my TikTok right here, okay? So you can definitely check this out as well. And as you can see, here's 3 pinned TikTok videos, and I keep these very short. This is what we refer to as short form video. Anywhere between a minute to 2 minutes works out really very, very well. And as a matter of fact, last night I created 3 pieces of content that I'm going to be kicking off this brand new week with, and it generated me a boatload of leads, okay? So that is where everything originates, with collecting leads and building your email list. You want to be focusing on that every single day, bringing people on a journey through your automations, through your funnel, okay? So they come to know you, like you, and trust you throughout the process. They're getting your follow-up emails, which we provide to you, okay? You will get pre-written follow-up emails. And then when people are ready to get started, they're going to have your direct link. They'll be able to go there and they'll be able to join. Pick the digital product package of their choice and get started. And that's exactly how my new customer came through. He first seen one of my pieces of content. Then he opted in to my capture page, was able to learn more about the opportunity through the 2 explainer videos inside of my funnel. And then he was added to my email list. He was getting a series of my automated emails. He was learning more, getting more, doing, of course, his research and due diligence. And then when he was ready to get started, he just came through. And I received a very nice new customer on complete autopilot, quite unexpected. A very nice surprise this past weekend. And this is the norm, folks. This is how it happens, okay? What we do is we focus on the discovery phase, which is basically our marketing, creating our content, giving a call to action to send people to our website when they request information. They willingly provide us with their email address. They get added to our email list because remember, the money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. They start to get our follow-up emails, and that's where they get to know, like, and trust us. And when they're ready, they have our information, our direct join link, and then they can proceed with selecting the digital product package of their choice. It's a very simple process, something anybody can do. So as you can see, this one has 442 views, just created all three of these late last night. Look at this one, 1,590 views, and this one 926 views. And of course, more people are going to see this. These videos are going to be out there working for me for a long, long time. So this is short term and this is long term, because once you create your content, it becomes part of your digital real estate. So people can find you, especially through the tags, because we are looking for specific targeted audiences, and we teach you how to utilize the best hashtags for your TikTok videos, and then how to get content creation ideas. We have extensive TikTok training, and as you can see, folks, you know, these are great views, and these have generated me a lot of comments, people wanting information, and I just simply respond back, and all I do is I give them the link to my website. So let me just show you kind of what this looks like right here. Okay. Okay, as you can see, look at this. See, people are wanting information, and I just give them a call to action. I tell them to go to the link in my bio, or sometimes I will alter it up a little bit and provide them with the link to my website. But this is how it is. It's very, very simple, folks. You create these. This one here, anywhere between a minute and 2 minutes, ideal. Okay, and then people are going to, you always got to be checking your comments, and then you just respond back with your website. It's a very, it's a very, very simple process. Okay, so this is what TikTok looks like, and this is what you can utilize Facebook for. Okay, and then of course I make really good utilization out of YouTube. And I've been doing YouTube a long, long time. I can probably honestly tell you that this by far, I would have to say, has produced, you know, the best, highest quality, best converting leads for me, bar none. Okay? As a matter of fact, you know, just 23 short hours ago, I uploaded our most recent webinar that we had last Friday. And every single week we host these opportunity webinars. And I always download them and upload them to my YouTube channel. And this is a great way to build your YouTube channel and to build a following, okay? Especially maybe in the beginning, you don't want to do your own videos, but I would definitely encourage you to create a YouTube channel. It's very simple. It's free. And then begin with uploading the weekly webinars to your YouTube channel, because it's going to start to help you to get subscribers, build a following, and build that all-important know, like, and trust. So if you missed our webinar on Friday, I would encourage you to definitely watch the replay, okay? I always redirect people to the replay if they're not able to attend live in the moment, because this breaks everything down step by step. It's going to show you the big picture, the potential, and the benefits of becoming part of the Legacy Builder program. And as you can see, I just uploaded this 23 short hours ago. It already has 144 views. And this is going to continue to grow because this is my digital real estate. These videos are going to be out there working for me both now, tomorrow, this week, next month, 6 months from now, a year from now. Okay? So that is the benefits of having this, and it's free. And we show you exactly how to, you know, do these videos using simple marketing strategies so that you can get found, you can get seen, and you can get heard. You can get your message out there. and you're building that all-important know, like, and trust. So with that being said, folks, I just wanted to share with you, this is exactly how we are doing it, okay? We're going to teach you how to create content around your perfect customer. We're going to show you how to find your perfect customer so that you can create relevant content that they're going to be able to resonate with you. And then how to do a simple call to action to collect emails to build your email list. It's a very simple process. You can do this from anywhere in the world. This is a worldwide opportunity. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. And with that being said, folks, this is the funnel, okay? And you are going to receive this exact same funnel, folks, okay? It's ready to go. It's done for you. It pulls very, very well. And see, all we do is we focus on just collecting emails all day long through our content creation. Ideally, 3 pieces of content is what we focus on every day. That seems to be a really good number. And again, you can utilize any social media form of your choice. And we have complete step-by-step training, even live interactive training throughout the week, focusing on attraction marketing by utilizing social media through the power and potential of content creation and email marketing and email follow-up. So this is the page right here. So we just give this as a call to action. We give them our website. They enter their email. When they do, this is exactly the process, okay? They're going to our bridge page, which it has explainer video number 1 on it right here, okay? Okay, this is where they are going to be able to learn more about this amazing opportunity through this video right here. And then once they go and listen from beginning to end to this video, which is exactly what I'm going to invite you to do, you click right here. Yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. And this is going to take you to explainer video number 2. This is how I have my funnel set up. It works very, very well. Tested and proven to work, and it converts great. And we focus on getting at least 20 new subscribers each and every day because the numbers have been tested now for a long time, and they've been proven to produce on average for every 20 subscribers converting 1 new customer, okay, on average, okay? Those are the proven statistics, okay? So that's what you want to focus on, getting 20 new email leads every single day, get them added to your list, and just take them through a process that has been proven to work, okay? So this will be explainer video number 2 that you're going to watch. And then when you're ready to get started, click here to get started. And this is going to take you to my product page and my sign up page. You'll start here and you'll work your way down and you'll review all the information, reading it from top left to bottom right, and then picking the digital product package of your choice, which we happen to have 4. And the reason being is because, you know, one size doesn't fit all. We have something here for everybody, and not everybody has the same goals, and everybody, you know, has different resources. But I want to let you know that for your convenience, I do accept all major credit cards through this website right here once you come through my automated funnel. And then I also do have payment plans if you're in the USA. Okay, I have great payment plans available so you can get started today for a fraction of the cost. But I wanted to share with you the simple process and how it works, folks. We teach you exactly how to do this using the power and potential of social media. And you can work from anywhere in the world. You can be out and about traveling, and you can do this business. Okay? So again, in closing, you know, this, I'm going to take you back here, and you can check this out. I'll drop the link to my Facebook and to my website. And that's where you're going to go. You may need to type the website into your browser, but you'll go there. It should be clickable, though, in the description. And if you have any questions, I welcome all serious inquiries. Feel free to reach out to me, text me, or call me. And if you want to take advantage of my payment plan, where it has 4 installment payments, interest-free, okay, you can get started today for a fraction of the cost. All I would need would be your full name and your email address. And you can get a hold of me by texting me or calling me and letting me know that you are ready to get started after you've reviewed my website, and I will be happy to create you an invoice, okay? But my website does accept all major credit cards. So I just wanted to let you know, and yeah, this is it, folks. The path to financial freedom starts here. You can go ahead and review this little post, and this is exactly what we teach you to do. Create simple story posts like this. And if you don't have your own results, folks, you can grab the results from people within our amazing community. And I think I'm going to take you there before I close out, okay? Because this is why a thriving community where people are getting great results, okay, and sharing in their testimonials is very, very beneficial. So check this out, folks. This is our community. This is our wins section, okay? And see, what you can do is you can use a little tool like Snagit, and you can grab other people's results and create story posts, picture posts, videos by leveraging other people's results until you generate your own personal results. I mean, look at this, folks. My first sale for July. Look at this. We celebrate all kind of wins. Traffic and lead generation, sign-ups, irregardless of how small or how big they are. Look at this, folks. Over 7,000 in 5 weeks. Look at this. 225,000 in 6 months. $100 ding in my account. Got my first lead. Look at this, folks. Absolutely amazing. Okay? Look at this. Just before the Sabbath at 4 a.m., another $900. And it just goes on and on and on. And we have pages. Look at this, $900 while in Vegas. So again, if you don't have your own results, you can use something like Snagit, and you can just basically go and capture other people's results and create marketing content and picture posts and image posts using Canva. Okay, that's what I do. I use Canva, C-A-N-V-A, and I use a little snip tool called Snagit. Okay, and it's very, very easy. And we show you exactly how to utilize all of these wonderful resources and tools and proven marketing strategies, all for free, folks. The strategies that we focus on are free strategies, harnessing and leveraging the power and potential of social media, where there's something like 5 billion people, 5 billion users on social media, okay? So imagine being able to reach the masses through your content creation. And once you understand exactly how to identify and locate and identify your perfect customer, you're going to be able to learn how to create content right around that perfect customer so that you can increase and enhance your conversions and get the best results, okay? So that is exactly how we're doing it. Look at this. Woke up to 1,800 this morning, 4,300 in 1 week. And again, we have pages and pages and pages of this. Okay, look at this. 900 on a chilled Sunday evening. And it just continues to go on. So with that being said, folks, my call to action, okay, is just to go to the link below in the description. You may need to type it into your browser and begin by going right here, folks. Okay. And just enter a good valid email address. Come on in and discover how to start an online business with a proven blueprint, because that's exactly what we are going to providing you with, our proven blueprint, so you can achieve the best results too. Okay? Thank you so much. I want to welcome you in advance to the Legacy Builder program, to my team, and I look forward to seeing you and your success and your wins very soon inside of our digital growth community. Thank you so much. Have a great week. Bye for now.